Hello everyone, welcome to the death section. As always, please remember to pause the video and try the problem yourself first, because sometimes I will give you the right answer right away. So this is white to play to kill black. And the method we're using is to decrease the eye space. And to do that is this bend or hane on the first line. And now black does not have enough eye space to live. If black plays here, hoping to increase its eye space, then white will just continue to decrease black's eye space. And now this is a bulky 5 shape, and white will be able to kill black this way. If black tries anything else in here, will still be dead. Right? Like this. Well, here, then anyway, so I will not exhaust all the different variations, but you can try out for yourself. So as long as white plays here, whether black plays inside, white has a way to kill black because the eye space is not enough. And white will have to utilize some of the eye shapes I talked about in chapter 2. So if you're unfamiliar with those eye shapes, please feel free to check out all the lessons in chapter 2. So what about wrong moves? One wrong move would be to try to play inside, like this. Then black will play here, right? If white destroys this eye, then black will make an eye here on the 1-1 point and capture this white stone as the second real eye. If white plays here, then black will play this. This will be 2 eyes. If white tries to destroy this eye, then black will capture white like this. Now this is an illegal move for white. White cannot play here. So white plays Atari on the outside, then black will be able to live. If white plays here, then black can live by increasing the eye space like this. Now, if white tries to destroy it, this will be a neutral life situation here on the corner. And I covered neutral life situations in lesson 210. So if you're unsure whether this is a neutral life or not, please check out that lesson. So once again, the correct answer is this. And the methodology here is very clear, is to decrease black's eye space. And that is one important method you should consider for every death problem. And we will get to other methods in future problems. Thank you for watching.